Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Pisces in April 2025. This month invites you to redefine your relationship with money, values, and personal worth, while also sharpening how you express your unique gifts to the world. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. April 2025 calls Pisces to revisit financial goals, assess personal talents, and rethink communication strategies. The cosmos focuses heavily on your second house of income and self-worth, and your third house of communication and learning, blending practical planning with creative thinking. Mercury retrograde, March 15 to April 7. Mercury retrogrades through Aries, activating your second house of money, values, and resources. This is a time to review budgets, reassess spending habits, and revisit unfinished financial plans. Avoid large purchases until Mercury turns direct on April 7th. Venus retrograde, March 1st to April 12. Venus also retrogrades in Aries, asking you to reevaluate your relationship with abundance, comfort, and self-worth. Are you undervaluing your talents? Are your finances aligned with your true values? After April 12th, clearer insights emerge to guide your next steps. Mars in Taurus all month. Mars energizes your third house of communication, learning, and short travel. This gives you the drive to express yourself more assertively, whether through writing, speaking, or creative projects. However, with Mars in earthy Taurus, patience and persistence matter more than speed. Venus enters Taurus April 30. At the end of the month, Venus joins Mars in your third house, bringing grace and charm to your words. This is excellent for networking, marketing creative work, or rekindling important conversations. Career and finances. April is financial review month for Pisces. With both Mercury and Venus retrograde in your second house, it's time to pause and rethink your earning strategies. Are you being compensated fairly for your talents? After April 7th, financial clarity improves, and after April 12th, you can start making practical changes. Creative or communication-based income streams, writing, content creation, teaching, get a boost from Mars and Venus in Taurus. The end of the month is especially favorable for launching a blog, pitching an idea, or refining your personal brand. Relationships. Communication plays a major role in relationships this month. With Mars in your third house, conversations might feel more direct and unfiltered. That's not necessarily bad, but be mindful of tone and timing, especially if emotions are running high. For couples, this is a great month for honest talks about shared goals and finances. Singles might find intriguing connections through intellectual pursuits, a class, a lecture, or even an online forum. Health and well-being. With so much emphasis on values and self-expression, your sense of self-worth directly influences your emotional health this month. Mercury retrograde may stir old insecurities. Be gentle with yourself and focus on practical ways to reinforce your confidence. Mars in Taurus supports vocal expression and mindful movement. Consider activities like journaling, singing, or even walking meditations, where you talk yourself through your feelings. Best days for success. April 7th, Mercury turns direct, financial clarity returns, and stalled conversations move forward. April 19th, the Sun conjuncts the North Node, revealing an important lesson about your personal value or a financial breakthrough. April 30th, Venus enters Taurus, helping your words flow beautifully and supporting successful conversations or creative launches. What to avoid? April 1st to 7, the last stretch of Mercury retrograde. Hold off on major financial decisions and double-check any important paperwork. April 20, Mars squares Pluto, triggering tension between personal expression and external expectations. Stay grounded and avoid unnecessary conflicts. April 2025 invites Pisces to redefine abundance from the inside out. By honoring your talents, speaking your truth, and aligning finances with your values, you'll set the stage for sustainable prosperity. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. What's one talent you're ready to fully embrace this month? Share your answer in the comments. I'd love to cheer you on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss your next cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.